Okay student, now we will discuss about mode. So they are given us intervals and frequency, and they said us find out the value of mode. So formula for mode of the given data, it is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply with h. Now what is f1, f0 and f2, L and h? So first of all, mode is what? Mode is actually most occurring term which is present in your data, that is mode of the data. So for it, first of all, we have to check out the highest frequency they are given in our information. So the highest value in this one column is 23. So you have to first of all circle 23 value, highest value of the data. So this is the highest value, so we will give it name as f1. One previous one term, upper side one term, is known as f0, and one next one term is known as f2. Now opposite interval of f1 is known as standard interval, and in it least value is known as L, and width of this one interval is known as h. So the least value is 35, so that's why it is L. Width of these two interval is 10, so the value of h is equal to 10. So again I am going to speak that first of all check out highest value in the column and circle it and give name as f1. One upper side one is known as f2, f0. One next one is f2, and opposite of f1, this is your standard interval. Least, this one least power is known as your L, and the width of the interval is known as your h. So now all the values we know, f1, f0, f2, L and h, fill in your formula. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply with h. So L is equal to value of the L 35 plus f1 23, f0 21, 2 into f1 is 23 minus f0 value is 21 minus f2 value is 14, and width of the interval h they are given us, that is a width of the interval as 10. So now solve the information. It is 35 plus 23 minus 21, it is 2 divided by, solve this is 23 2s are 46 and this is 35. So 46 minus 35 and multiply by h. Now 35 plus 2 by 11 multiply by 10. So it is 35 plus 20 by 11, take the LCM, it is 385 plus 20 is equal to 405 by 11, answer is equal to 36.8. So this is mode of the data, 36.8.